How to simplify the fraction 2 over 7 into its simplest form, lowest term, or reduced form. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. 1 times 2 equal to 2, so 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Then 1 times 7 equal to 7, so 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. This number is a prime number because it has only two factor 1 and the digit itself. This number also is a prime number. This has factor 1 and the digit itself. So the common factor between these two prime number must be 1. So if we divide this 2 by 1, 2 by 1, this one is greatest common factor. So 2 divided by 1, 2, 7 divided by 1, 7. So this is the answer. This is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator, so we have nothing to do.